What's up, y'all? So today is going to be a short video, but in this video today, as you guys can see, I am just waking up. But anyways, today is our last day over here at Rosedale. So today I have to go ahead and take all my stuff out of the truck. I have to go pick up my rental car, then pack up the rental car, and then I'm going to be heading back home. I am leaving Rosedale. I'm going to drop a full video of why I'm leaving Rosedale and everything of that nature. But in this video today, this video is just basically my documentation of the way I'm leaving the truck, and basically so I can have proof and everything. So we're not abandoning no truck, we're not doing anything like that. We are over at the yard, but yeah, man, so we're leaving Rosedale. Turned my keys in. Technically I told them I was leaving yesterday. I went ahead and started packing up my truck and everything. I have basically everything packed up. I ended up spending the night in the truck last night because I don't have no hard feelings or anything. You know, at the end of the day, this is a business. They have to make money. Me as a worker, I have to make money. So at the end of the day, I have no hard feelings with anybody. So anyways, I'm about to show you guys the truck and how it sits as of right now. And then after I get done, I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the day basically today. But yesterday I went ahead and I started packing everything up. So we're almost done packing everything up. We just got to finish throwing out our trash that we have for the day. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little before and after, so to say. Go ahead and open up these curtains. Other side. All right, so this is where we're at so far. We wiped everything down. I took everything out. I left my pens and everything in here. I figured the next driver might need some pens, so everything's wiped down. We got our shoes and stuff here. We've already swept, mopped, cleaned all the floors, my camera bags. I'm gonna leave my broom because I don't need that. Here's all my stuff is packed up. Everything is wiped down and clean. Bed is stripped. I gotta take that with me. I'm taking my microwave with me, and I'm taking this stuff right here with me. I left my paper plates. I mean, I don't need them. They're still brand new in the plastic, so somebody might be able to use those. I'll clean this out. As of right now, this is what I have on my clothes and everything, but for the most part, it's cleaned out and wiped down. We've taken our stuff from up there, taken our Wi-Fi from over there. We still have to unhook our microwave. I'm gonna leave those basic cleaning supplies in there. I know me, when I first personally get onto a truck, most of the time I don't have cleaning supplies. I have to go buy them. Maybe the companies go throw them away, maybe they're not. Maybe the next driver can use them. Maybe the detailer will find them and take them out and he'll use them. Everything's taken out. I gotta take my ibuprofen. I gotta put that in a bag. Or I can honestly just leave it. That really doesn't matter. But up here, we've already turned all our paperwork in and stuff, but these are the bags that we use here whenever we turn in a whole bunch of paperwork. We have our trip sheets and all the locations that we are allowed to use. Fuel is in here also. So anything that's important that another driver might be able to use, I left it in there. As you guys know, that's something I always do when I leave a company, because for one, I don't want to take all this stuff home, and for two, you know, if I can help another driver either make money or save a little bit of money, that's what I'm always going to do. So we got to go ahead and take this microwave and unstrap it and everything. Here in a little bit, we're going to be going to pick up our car, and I don't know what type of car we got or none of that. I just said, let me get the cheapest one you got. So we're gonna go over to the Enterprise and we're gonna get our car. What's up, gang? You wanna be on camera type shit?
I don't mind, bro. Bro, they just gave me the truck.
What
the
truck?
shit caught up, fucking start smoking on me.
The one they just gave you yesterday?
They gave me that shit yesterday, bro. It started smoking on me, bro.
Ollie?
And then the check engine light coming on and it's flashing. I took a video of it. I'm tired. I'm done, bro. I'm done.
Y'all thought I was tripping, gang.
Huh?
Talking to the camera.
Oh. Yeah, I'm done, bro. Shit started smoking, catching fire.
Oh, I can see it in the video. Yeah, in the video in the cab.
It started catching on fire on me, bro. This is supposed to be a so-called new truck. This is my 6th truck. I'm done, bro.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for a month.
He's been here for a month and he's had 6 trucks because like y'all go see in the next video, bro, the maintenance on these trucks, they're not up to par, bro.
They don't care, bro. They don't care because they're not staying here. It's not their shit.
They're not staying, and it's I don't know, bro. And I don't even know who to blame it on because at the same time, it's Penske is not Rosedale, but Penske is fucking these trucks. But at the same time, Rosedale know that they're fucking these trucks and letting them stay here.
They get them until the 30th to leave.
Exactly, but I was talking to
that's too long, bro.
I was talking to the detail dude, and he said that they've been here for a little over a year, and they've been fucking shit up. They've been fucking shit up, and they've been letting them stay and letting them stay.
Bro, the shit started smoking with me badly, bro.
Where were you at?
I picked up my load at Shaw.
In Adairsville?
Yeah, over there, like
by the Loves?
By Loves, right?
Yeah.
I picked my load up, right? I'm driving that thing in the morning. I did my pre-trip. Everything is good. I go to Shaw, pick up the load, slide my tendon, do what I gotta do. I went to the Love to get weighted. The next thing I see smoke coming out when I was parking in because I was gonna go inside the Love. I'm parking, I see this shit start smoking badly, bro. Like I couldn't even see in front of me. I'm like, hold on. I'm thinking it's somebody else's truck.
Yeah.
And it's my truck. I'm like, nah, I'm already here.
Yeah, I'm listening.
I already picked up the load, bro. I'm already here. I already picked up the load. The load is on my back, but I'm not driving this shit, bro. I'm done. I'm done.
They gonna try to give you this truck.
No, I'm done. Fuck no, I already know what this truck is. Hell no, I'm done, bro. I've been patient, bro. You can't tell me.
And that's what I'm saying, bro. There's only so much patience.
Flashlight, bro.
That one don't even work. This is the one. They didn't give you one?
Hell no, I got my own stuff, bro.
Oh yeah, when in orientation they give you a flashlight.
Nothing, man. I don't care. Fuck all that.
But yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Bro.
How much patience can I stick around with
bro,
you,
I've been
bro?
patient, bro.
Exactly, like you say, oh, it's about to pick up. The shit never picks up. These trucks are not up to par. All right, so we just made it over here to the Enterprise to go ahead and do what we need to do and get us a rental car today. How you doing? My name is...
Here, the dent's going to be bigger than the circle here.
Okay.
But anything you see, you feel like you want me to mark, and I'll be more than happy to do so.
Here go a little pendant, but I mean it's not as big as that. All right, so we just got the car and everything. Was that or either a Toyota Camry? I should have got the Toyota Camry. I ain't gonna lie to you, but we got this Maxima and everything. About to head back over to the yard. We got to get all our stuff out of the truck, load it up into the car. And after we do that, we are going to be heading on back down to the house. We'll probably stop here in a couple of hours, grab us something to eat, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get on down to the truck. So we just made it back to the yard. And this is gonna be our last time. Well, technically it's not gonna be our last time coming through this gate because we gotta come back through the gate to leave. But we are currently coming back through the gate. That's going to be the guard shack right there. So we're gonna go ahead and head on over to the car. And not the car, we're gonna go ahead and head on over to the truck and get all our stuff out of the truck. I made sure to take the key with me and everything, and I locked the doors on the truck because I have all my camera gear and all that technology and stuff in there, and that stuff is not cheap at all. So I went ahead and just took the key for this thing with me. So we're about to go ahead and hop out and get all my stuff out of here. All right, so we got all our stuff packed into the car now. The car is right here behind me. And this is all the stuff. This is all my clothes, camera bag, bedding. Well, not my bedding, but my pillows. My bag, water, phone. And then in the trunk, we have all the rest of our stuff. We threw a lot of stuff away yesterday, but that's everything I'm taking with me. Let me show you guys inside the truck so you can see the after, and this can be my documentation of the way I left the truck. I went ahead and cleaned it out yesterday, but walking on the dirt lot, got a little bit of dirt in here. Big old towel and a rug. The sleeper is going to be completely empty now. Everything up there is gone. We're empty out of here now. This is gonna be my front. Microwave gone, everything's done. This is the food I'm taking with me for the road and my phone chargers. So that's it, man. This chapter is done over here at Rosedale. But like, I don't know how to say it. Like, it's not a bad company. It's not a bad company at all. If you are a SAP driver and you're looking for a company to get back into the industry, to get your drug test done, dude, do not hesitate to come to Rosedale. But just know it's not a lot of money. You're not gonna make a lot of money here, and that's one of the reasons that I am leaving. So if you guys want to know the story or the story time of why I'm leaving, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications, because I'm going to be doing a full review story time of why I'm leaving. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, and hopefully you guys stay tuned to the channel, and wherever we end up next, whatever the next chapter is about, I hope you guys enjoy that chapter. I hope I keep motivating SAP drivers and other drivers out there to stand on business, respect yourself, and at the end of the day, do what makes you happy. If something's not making you happy, bro, it's your life, bro. There is no reason you should let something that you have full control of make you unhappy or feel some type of way. So with that being said, we are out of here, man. We are on to the next chapter, whatever that may be. And I hope you guys stick around for the ride. But at the end of the day, it's not here nor there. It's only what you decide can happen happens. Let's go.